Hello students, welcome back to our channel and let's start our series of computer applications for biotechnology. So we were on a track of running some MCQs, okay, practicing some MCQs. So today the topic is overview on of Excel, okay. So let's start. When a range is selected, how can you activate the previous cell? So can you answer that? Yes. So it is what? It is actually neither using these options. It is actually here the answer is none of the above. Okay. So try to answer and pause your video, try to answer, then resume the video. Okay. So let's move on to our next question. How can we define a worksheet in Excel? So it's very easy. A collection of cells where data is entered and manipulated. Okay. Right. Moving on ahead. Identify the statement that best describes the feature of Excel. So, which is the feature of Excel? Actually, Excel is a spreadsheet software that allows for data manipulation and analysis, right? Let's move ahead quickly to our next question. Examine the following statements and identify which one correctly describes cell referencing in Excel. So, it's what actually it is cell referencing means identifying a cell's location in the worksheet, right? Let's move ahead to our next part. Distinguish between absolute and relative cell reference. Okay, so this is very important to know about absolute and relative cell reference. This is one of the major part of Excel. Okay, so please try to gather some facts or remember about this. Okay, so it is actually what absolute reference is when the row and column references remain constant actually, okay, when copied by, but relative reference is when they change. Okay, let's move on ahead to our next question. Why are features like sort and filter important in Excel? Okay, so it is important because they allow you to ask to organize and analyze data efficiently. Okay, let's move ahead to our next one. How can we classify the type of cell referencing in Java? Actually, they are classified as absolute and relative cell referencing. Okay, let's move ahead to our next one. What happens when we convert a cell reference from relative to absolute? Okay, so when we convert, what happens? The cell reference remains constant when copied to another location, right? Let's move ahead. Identify what would happen if we use a named range cells in a formula and there are two named ranges cells in two different worksheets of the same workbook. So what will happen? Excel will return an error, okay, because it cannot determine which cells named range to use. Okay, so let's move ahead. How can we convert a relative cell reference to an absolute cell reference in Excel? So it's very easy to convert by adding a dollar sign before the column letter and row number, right? Okay, fine. Let's move ahead. Define what transpose does in Excel. Transpose is very important. Okay, what it does, it changes the horizontal data to vertical and vice versa. Okay, means row to column or column to row. Identify what would happen if we use autofill to extend a series in Excel. So when we use autofill, Excel will continue to extend the series based on the pattern in the selected cells. Okay, let's move ahead. What does a simple formula in Excel do? Okay, so a simple formula in Excel will do what? It will allow you to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, let's move ahead. How does rearranging data help in Excel? So, by organizing data in a specific order or structure for better understanding or analysis. Okay, let's move ahead. How can we apply a number format like currency or percentage to a cell? Okay, so we have to do what? We have to use right click on the cell and choose format cells, then select number tab. Also, we can do it by using the format menu and select cells and then choose number tab. So hence both of the above. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, thank you. We'll be meeting soon in our next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.